So, all the gold which is available in the form of door gold from Africa, and most of the people who are the stockist of the bullion, okay, and most of the bullion is owned by banks, and like currently Venezuela is in trouble, okay. Venezuelan government or the central bank is selling the bullion. So those kind of bullion as well as the door gold, our process is very simple, that it goes to the LBMA approved refinery in the ownership of the seller, okay, or the gold miner, okay. And the LBMA approved refinery makes the SAMS TT bars, which is a small unit which we can sell to our TQLMA customers, and that is also a backup for our Park Gold Coin, which we are launching, for our climate smart food project. So it's very simple process, fail-proof process. The ownership always remains with the seller, and after the payment is transferred ledger to ledger or through MT103, once the seller receives the payment, then the gold ownership will be transferred. Okay, so it's a very simple process. We can open the account of the, our account in the seller's bank account. Generally, I like to work with HSBC and UBS, which are the two main banks. Okay, so we can work with these two banks. We should open up our account in the refinery also, the LBMA approved refinery, so that the, everything becomes very transparent and simple. The gold gets transported from the mines or from wherever it is into an LBMA approved refinery. The refinery smelts the gold, makes TT bars, and based on the quantity of the TT bar produced, the seller will give us the commercial invoice, and based on that commercial invoice, we will transfer the payment ledger to ledger or through MT103, and then the seller will transfer the ownership to us. So that's a process, very, very simple process.
Okay. Okay.
And the other message which we want to give to the sellers is this, that they will be also participating in our COVID-19 projects, because the profit from the sales of the Park Gold Coin, which our company TQLMA Group is making, is used for COVID-19 projects.
Noted. It has been noted.
So that's it. So that's a process, and that's a message we want to deliver and give to all the stakeholders of the gold industry.
Okay. And if I stop the recording, how will I save it?
Just save it, okay, so that it is there. And I